something that's good for me.
Hey guys, this is Roland Blazay. I'm going to show you guys real quick the simple kompa technique that would change your whole dynamic, the whole way you play kompa. This technique, guys, I've been using it lately. It's been making my solos sound sweet. This technique is simple as using this left pitch binder, sliding it up. But guys, I'm about to show you guys this technique real quick. Remember, go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com if you need kompa sound. Listen up, guys. If you need kompa sounds, just go to KompaKeyboardSchool.com. Not only will you see courses and a few tips on lessons, if you continue scrolling, you'll see the main stage solo sounds, including some guitar sounds, the Mod X sounds. You keep scrolling, you see a drum kit, you'll see guitar samples, you'll see the Roland XV5080 card. Let's get started with this simple technique. So right now we're in the key of A flat. So what's your progression in this song? Let's just get the progression out the way. So it starts on the 6th, which is F minor. Then it goes to a B flat minor. Then an E flat major. And back to a B flat minor. 6, 2, 5, 2. When I'm on the 6, I use the 1, which is what? A flat. So watch what I do, guys. There's only certain notes that this works with. Listen closely to what I'm about to do, guys. I don't know if you guys caught that. Passing chord is not important, guys, but the technique itself with using the binder. Watch what I do, guys. There's only 2 notes. 2 notes on these are only 2 notes. I'm just going up and down the octave with them. So I take the 2nd note, which is B flat in my A flat scale, and I take this note, the 5th note, which is E flat. So when I'm on the E flat part of the song, I use these 2 notes from the E flat. And I quickly, right now it's B flat, E flat. I quickly bring that E flat down and move the binder up. You guys see it? And then I move it down 1 more octave where it's B flat, E flat again. And I do the same thing when I'm on the A flat. Watch this, guys. You saw that? So I'm using A flat and E flat, which is part of my A flat major, which is the harmonic major of F minor. So when I'm on the F minor, I do A flat and E flat. Why? Because A flat chord goes with the F minor chord. It's the harmonic major. And you can practice it this way, guys, so you can get the timing of the binder accurate, guys. So guys, you see how nice that sounds? It sounds different. That's how I approach the kompa challenge, guys. And then you can add whatever touch you was. Remember what I taught you guys in the response technique where you move down the octave. So instead of starting on the 7, I start on the 3, which is the harmonic minor of the 7. It's a simple technique, guys. And one of the things I want you guys to remember is only certain notes you can use that move the left pitch binder up. And I'm gonna give you the secret notes. You can only do it with the 1, which is A flat. The 2, you can't do it with the 3. If you do it with the 3, it's gonna pitch up to this note, which is not a part of your scale. The 4.5 is not a part of your scale. So when you're doing the binder thing, don't ever do it with a 3. Do it with the 1, 2, the 5. That's why these are the only 3 notes I use if you really paid attention to what I was doing. So guys, once you learn this technique, it will transform the way you do kompa solos. You will never play kompa solos the same way again. Hey guys, this is Roland Blazay. One thing I want to tell you that kompa, you will learn kompa, you will know how to play. And we've just released the official beginner's kompa course. In the Kompa course, you will learn the key, how to find the key, what is the key, scales, chords, Kompa chord progressions, the number system. You will learn minor chord progressions, Kompa rhythm. In this Kompa course, how to chake, simple solo tips, you will know how to start your journey off playing kompa. For $19.99, this Kompa course has just been released. Go to kompakeyboardschool.com. It will be the first link on the top of the page, and you will begin to know how to play kompa in no time. Most of the key elements to kompa keyboard playing is in this course. So guys, do not wait, do not hesitate. Get your kompa course now and start playing kompa right where you're at.
Something that's good for me.